One of my students, Adam, just landed an $11,400 per month cleaning contract from just one conversation. That is $136,000 per year from one conversation with somebody already in his network. And Adam was a complete beginner when he joined my program. He's never run a business before in his life. No connections in the cleaning industry, nothing. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how he did it, and how you can use the same method to land your first 1 to 3 contracts in the next 30 days. But before we get into that, I gotta kill one belief right now. A lot of people hear the words tap your network and immediately shut down. They think, I don't know anyone who owns a business, so this is not gonna work for me. I get it. I've heard that literally from hundreds of beginners, and it's the #1 reason most people never even try this method. But that belief is based on the wrong question. See, every single student I have ever walked through this method, everyone has uncovered between at least 30 to even 100 business owners sitting in their warm network, and that's people who can give them a direct introduction. And I'm about to show you how you can do that. My name is Mike Mack, if you're unfamiliar, author of the Amazon bestseller Pick Up Cash, Not Trash. And over the last 10 years, I have built and exited 2 cleaning businesses and built my third one to 6 figures in less than 2 months. Now, I've landed every type of client you can think of, and the method I am going to show you is one of my personal favorites because it works really fast. It doesn't cost you anything. And it's the same method Adam used to land his $11,400 per month account. So let's get into it. Now, this method is called the power base. Your power base is the people who already know you and trust you. That could be your friends, former colleagues, family, neighbors, people who you went to school with. Most people hear this and they immediately start running through their head, oh, well, who do I know owns a business? And for most people, that list is short. Maybe 2, 3 names pop up, sometimes 0, and that's where the power method goes to die for most beginners. But that is the wrong question. See, the right question is, who do I know who can get me in front of somebody who can give me a warm introduction? That one shift is what changes things. Now, my student Adam, when he landed that $11,000 per month contract, he landed it from one conversation using this framework. Now, he's a complete beginner, like I mentioned, and when he joined my program, he had never run a business before. And all it took was him following these steps and having one conversation with someone he didn't even really think was in his network at first. And that was all he needed to land this $11K per month contract. And so here's the thing. Your network is not a handful of business owners that you happen to be friends with. No, your network is every single person that you've ever built trust with and everyone they know. Think about your chiropractor. This could be a chiropractor you've been going to for the last 10 years. His office is a business. He might need a cleaner himself, and even if he doesn't need a cleaner, I guarantee you he knows the dentist down the hall. He knows the accountant 2 doors down. He knows the guy who owns the building, and that is just one person. See how this works? One chiropractor. You might not even know him directly. Maybe your dad knows him. Well, that just turned into 5 or 10 other business owners that he can introduce you to. Now, do the same thing with your dentist. Who does he know? What offices is he connected to? Do the same thing with your accountant, your mechanic, your kid's football coach, the owner of the restaurant your family has been eating at for years. Do the same thing with your friends, your cousins, your brother-in-law, your old college roommate. Every single one of those people is a doorway into 5 or 10 more business owners. That is the spiderweb. You went from, I don't know anyone, to knowing maybe 2 or 3 business owners, to now all of a sudden tapping into a network of 50 to even 100 people, sometimes more. And these aren't cold names off a list. These are warm introductions from people they already trust. So the likelihood of you turning one of them into a client, well, it's pretty high. And maybe you don't personally know Bob the chiropractor, but your dad does, or your cousin does, or your wife does, and that's all it takes. So here's a simple text you can send today to start working your power base. Hey Dad, I just started a commercial cleaning company. You know Bob the chiropractor? Does he still own his practice? Any chance you can introduce me? That's it. That's the whole ask. There's no pitch, there's no pressure. What it is a warm introduction from someone Bob already trusts. One warm introduction from a trusted mutual friend. Well, that, my friend, is worth 50 cold calls, maybe even more, because the trust actually transfers instantly. Now, if you work your power base this way in the first 30 days, then 3 contracts becomes extremely realistic. Now, we've talked about a lot in this video, but getting the warm introduction is just the first step. What to say when you're actually sitting across from Bob the chiropractor? Well, what's actually going to turn Bob from a mutual friend into a contract landed? See, a lot of beginners freeze in that meeting because they show up and they think they need to talk with cleaning or talk about price. And I can tell you for a fact, if you do that in a meeting, you're likely to walk out of that meeting empty-handed, wondering what the heck happened. Now, there is a gap between watching a video and actually landing the contract. Adam did not have to figure that part out alone. He had my team walking him through every step of the conversation, every ask, every contract. That's how he turned one warm introduction into $11,400 per month. So if you already know you want to start a cleaning business, if you want to skip all the trial and error and just start landing contracts the way Adam did, book a call, talk with my team. We're going to show you exactly how we build this entire business for you in the next 21 days from the ground up. That is your brand, your logo, your systems, all of it. We even run your lead generation for the first 90 days so you can start landing high-ticket clients as fast as possible. 3 months from today, you can be my most recent student result that I'm talking about and bragging about in a video like this. But it all starts with you taking the first step. The link to apply is in the description below. Book a call, chat with my team, see how we can help you build this freedom machine for you and your family. For everyone else hanging out on YouTube University, I love you too. Go watch this video right here. Pow! I'll see you over there.